Have you ever struggled to give that painterly look to your digital illustrations? And what about a more relaxed and creative process of making an image? Working as a concept artist and an illustrator, I have tried many different techniques and workflows to get different results on my paintings. In this tutorial, I went straight from a sketch to a full painting, and I will explain to you all the decisions I made during the process. We will talk about using reference and developing an illustration slowly. This package contains 3 videos, about 2 hours of content, the brushes that I used to making this image, and the PSD file in case you want to check it out up close. Getting this video will not only help you as a beginner artist, but it will greatly support my YouTube channel and personal project of creating my own fantasy comic book. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for your support.